Okay, hello Cloud Gurus and welcome to AWS This Week. We have some awesome announcements this week, including the announcement of a new region plan for Indonesia.
There are a couple of exciting new features announced for CloudWatch.
There's a price reduction for DynamoDB global tables.
There's a setup script for Elastic Inference.
And we announced the winner of Guru of the Week. You're watching AWS This Week with me, Ryan Kroonenberg.
And me, Faye Ellis.
So this week, AWS announced plans to open a new region in Indonesia, and this region will be located in Jakarta, and it will consist of 3 availability zones. So right now there are 20 regions in operation, and Jakarta is going to be the 9th region in the Asia-Pacific region. So this is great news for many businesses in Indonesia who are already using AWS, companies like Traveloka, Lion Air, HelloDoc, and many, many more.
There are a couple of great new features for CloudWatch. Firstly, you can now use search expressions to define your CloudWatch dashboards and have them update automatically as new resources are created. For example, you can create a search expression which displays CPU utilization for all instances in a region, and then when a new instance is launched, the CPU metric for that instance is automatically added to the dashboard. And the second new feature is that you can now create tags in CloudWatch alarms and use them to apply resource-level identity access management policies. For example, you can attach an IAM policy which enables only specific users to delete CloudWatch alarms.
So there is a price reduction for DynamoDB global tables, and if you've not used DynamoDB global tables before, it's a fully managed multi-region NoSQL database. In order to replicate data to multiple AWS regions, they use cross-region replication as well as DynamoDB streams, which provides a time-ordered sequence of database events. And they are now reducing the cost of running a global table by eliminating any charges associated with DynamoDB streams when used to replicate global tables.
There is a new Python script available now to help you get started quickly with Elastic Inference. And if you've not used Elastic Inference before, it allows you to attach low-cost GPU acceleration to EC2 and SageMaker instances. And this reduces the cost of deep learning applications by up to 75%, because you can now size your compute instances appropriately and then add GPU acceleration when needed. And up to now, there were a few manual steps that were needed in order to configure Elastic Inference, including setting up dependencies like VPC endpoints, identity access management policies, and security groups, etc. And with this new script, it makes it much simpler to get started by just running a single setup script. So on to Guru of the Week, and the correct answer this week was C, and lots of you got it right, but the person with the best answer was Anil Kanwar, who is a solution architect.
So congratulations Anil, there's an A Cloud Guru t-shirt, sticker and a hand-signed card on the way to you in the post, and you're also in the draw to win a free ticket to reInvent for 2019.
Please see the link below for this week's question, which is now live on our Facebook page. And that is all from us. You've been watching AWS This Week.
Keep being awesome, Cloud Gurus.
And we'll see you next time.